My name is Dr. Rekkas. I'm a board certified surgeon, and I wanted to talk today about inguinal hernias. What is an inguinal hernia? An inguinal hernia is usually a bulge that can cause pain, swelling, or discomfort, usually in the lower part of the patient's abdomen. It starts off as a weakness in the lower abdominal wall, and eventually things can go through, like tissue, fat, or even intestines, and that can become an emergency. So, when a hernia usually starts causing pain or symptoms in a patient, we repair these hernias. And now we have robotic techniques that help us do this very minimally invasive. And that means through small little incisions, a surgeon will insert a robot and a camera and will start this surgery by taking down a flap called the peritoneum. Once that peritoneal flap is taken down, the surgeon will pull out any tissue that might be trapped in this hernia. And once that hernia or that hole is identified, the area is cleaned out. And at that point, a surgical mesh is put in. The mesh provides strength and prevents this hernia from coming back, and usually it's secured in place robotically using a few sutures. After that mesh is covering the area, that peritoneal flap is closed again. The surgeon finishes, closes the incisions that were made after he removes the robotic arms. Patients usually end up going back to work in a few days. This technique is found to be safe, effective, and I think doing these cases robotically with small little incisions tends to help post-operative pain and help people have quicker recovery to work.